Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can move your Instagram camera tools from one side to the other. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to put your likes and comments at the end of the video. So let's get to our topic. First of all, if you open up Instagram and go to Stories after you open it up, here you'll be able to see the Instagram camera tools. And let's say if you're not happy with them on one side, you want to move them to the other side, or you have them on the left side, you want them on the right side. Then there's two very easy ways to move them. The first is to click on the gear at the top, and then this is where you find the camera tools. And you can choose whether you want them on the right side or the left side. At the moment, I've got them on the right side. If I switch to the left side, you can see the tools move immediately. And there's another also simple method. When you go into the Stories, underneath the tool and the camera, you click on this arrow here to show all the advanced tools. And at the top, you'll see these two arrows in different directions. If you click on them, the camera tools will immediately go to the other side. And that's how you can move them around. If you don't have either of the two functions to move the camera tools in Instagram, then I suggest you update your Instagram. To do that, you need to go to the App Store or the Play Store if you don't have an iPhone. Next, you will need to write the word Instagram in the search engine. And after you find the Instagram app, you will need to update it. Right now I have it updated and I have the word open. But if you don't have Instagram updated, there will be a word update. You just click on it. Instagram will update and then you can move your Instagram camera tools from one side to the other in peace. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you, helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.